behind me, we call her Greensleeves, and her name's on the front. She's 27 foot. Bob, you can help me out here with the specs on this.
It's a DT466E with an Allison 2000 transmission, automatic trans, 60 gallons of fuel on board, and loves the mountains.
We found out.
Loves mountains.
I tell people most school buses
Yep.
like uphill so much they go slow so they can enjoy every minute of it.
That's
That's
exactly
right.
what they do.
Yeah.
That's exactly
I always
what
just
they do.
kick back and enjoy the view.
Personally, I'm not a fan of up or down.
Yeah, well, down gets exciting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So,
She wants to run, so we have to hold her back.
yeah.
So one of the things that we liked most about it, and the reason that I chose this bus was because of the size. First of all, it's 27 feet, which is just big enough for the two of us. And she had the handicap door, which we can open, and I made a screen for the back so I can lay in bed and look out the door and let the breeze in. It's beautiful. Yep. And the other thing is that this particular bus has a ceiling higher than most. It's 6'4".
Oh, nice.
And there's no wheel wells. So that was a big
Yep.
plus. So I could lay it out. In a previous life, I was a graphic designer, so I used my skills to lay out the bus. And
I have no wheel wells in mine, and
really,
yeah, it's so nice.
It is. It's beautiful. I love it. It's great because it didn't keep us. What's the word I'm searching for? It didn't keep us restricted to where we could put everything. We could slide it up and down. The only thing that kept us restricted was where the windows were, and that wasn't much of a restriction.
Right.
So come on in if you like. Love to show you. It's a little stiff. We got to replace these moldings on here. So come on in. It's a little dark in here right now because I'm trying to keep it cool.
It's okay.
The sun is out. We didn't build the bus out ourselves. I turned 65 last year and retired. And I wanted to get going. I knew that neither one of us had the skills to build our own bus, and even if we did, it would probably take us years. So took my retirement money, sold a little piece of property that we had in Florida, and put the money into the bus. We had a tiny home builder called Movable Roots in Melbourne, Florida. He did the build out for us. I did the design. And I told him what I wanted. He was great to work with because I told him I wanted it to look like a little cottage on wheels. And basically that's what I got. So it was just when COVID was really hit and his business had fallen off quite a bit. So he looked at the bus and said, "Well, I've never done a Skoolie before, but says I'm willing to try." And I knew he did good work because I saw his tiny home. So he said, "Great," and he gave us a great price. So I said, "Go ahead and do it, so we can get on the road." And at 65, you don't want to wait until you're 75.
Yeah.
So
I was 62 when I built mine.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, great. This is one of the things that I love about it. Is we've got this little bridge. I call it the bridge here. When we're on the road, I put this down. Grab my little footstool, and I can sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. This is my seat, my navigator seat here, and this was great because I got this seat on Craigslist for about $25.
Oh,
and
nice.
Bob rigged it up so that it would swivel for me. So when we're not on the road, and it locks, and when we're not on the road, I can twist it around. Forget how it works sometimes. I can twist it around so we have extra seating in the bus, and then this little thing will pop up and give us a little extra counter space or a little desk area or something right here. It's that kind of comes in handy sometimes. So I really like that. And this in our dinette over here, it doesn't collapse into a bed. And everybody asks me that, oh, does this fold down and make a bed? I said, no, there's two of us and we don't want any company. So if you want to come along, bring your own tent. So this house is our storage for our solar inverter and battery. We've got, I think Bob said 760 watts on the roof.
Okay. Yeah, that's how I did mine. Build it right into the dinette.
Yeah, it works great. When we get back to Florida, we're going to upgrade it and get another solar panel, and then change out the rooftop AC that we have in the back. We're going to change that to a mini split, because they'll be much more effective, and that AC doesn't really cool the bus very well at all.
Right.
So that's what. And so moving back along. I've got my 3-burner stove and an oven that works great. My sink, which I've got this over here. I can put it right on the top so I can have a little extra counter space. Berkey, which I love. I wouldn't live without this thing. This is our bath. We've got we got a shower and a composting toilet in the bathroom. And I had to put the tile on the floor because this is the same tile that I had in my place when I lived in San Francisco, and I loved it. So I said I want to match that again. And then this is our bed sleeping area. This is our closet here and our sleeping area. When it's not a bed, and I'm not too lazy to make it up, it's a U-shaped couch.
Okay.
The middle portion, right where you're standing, the cushions come out of there, and it pulls and it pushes back in. Right now I've got it all rigged up and the bed's all made, and we've got junk underneath it. So, but it's got the same cushions on it that we had on the dinette. It's the same blue cushions, so it makes a real pretty couch when it's made up. And then I take the pillows, which I have right now stored in the bathroom, like everybody does.
Everybody showers turns into a storage at some point.
So those are all the pillows that I made to go all around the sofa area. And then I made them.
I used to collect insulators.
Yeah,
insulators.
we have a bunch of them at home, and Bob made these for me. There's one here, and there's one in the back wall back here.
Right.
And when we were having the bus built, I gave it to the builder, and I said, "Here, these two have to go in there somewhere."
Now, this is a pantry, or?
This is our pantry. The only thing I would change now, living in it for a while, is that I can't reach way in the back.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
I would get the shelves that pull out. Because right now, to make the best of it, I have all my pantry items in baskets, and I can pull this out and get to what's in the back,
right.
The front and the back. So that's the way I cope with it for right now.
Yep.
Until maybe down the road we'll change it out and get the.
Well, that's why Skoolies are never done. They're done-ish.
Oh, yeah,
we're always improving.
Yeah.
So
they're never done. Yeah, there's a few things I would change, but not much. I was pretty much designed it and I dreamed about it for a long time.
Sure.
And I knew that I wanted the wood ceiling, and I wanted the beadboard, and I wanted it to look like a little tiny home, little tiny cottage.
Do you have any social media presence if somebody wanted to get a hold of you?
Yeah, on my sticker, I'll show you my sticker. We're under Greensleeves _Skoolies, and that's our handle, Greensleeves, and Greensleeves _Skoolies. And we try to live by this now. This is live your life by a compass and not by a clock. Ever since I've been retired, that's been our motto. so we're really enjoying life.
Yep. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a beautiful bus.
Thank you so much. I made the curtains. Oh, and you'll love this. To try to save money, I went to Goodwill, and I got the sheets on the bed. They had these king-size sheets on sale for like $1, $2 each. So I got all the sheets that they had. I cut them all up, and I made linings for all my curtains out of my $1 sheets from Goodwill. make use of that. So that was really fun.
Well, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.